Hey everyone, just a quick one today. I apologize about the noise outside. There's some construction happening on my street. I wanted to say that this type of situation does not help you get your skincare products on. It doesn't help you knowing what goes before what. This is just insane. Yes, this is my stash. I get sent a lot of product and I sell products, so this is the result. However, I have found that with many of my clients, there is such an overwhelm of what goes when, what's for the AM, what's for the PM, and what to layer before what. So my first tip is quite simple. Get rid of this, or take it, stick it in a bin like this, hide it somewhere so you don't see it every single day, and then bring out 3 products that you want to use. Okay, I think that is quite simple. You can have a cleanser that you're going to need in the PM. You can bring in a serum that targets targets your needs. It can be vitamin C, could be retinol, whatever it is that you need. Peptide serum. There's so much out there, I know, which is what creates the overwhelm. So find a way to clear out your cabinet. And, as you're doing that, have a look at what you have, right? You're going to put everything in a bin and you're going to be like, okay, I have all these serums over here. You can even categorize it. And then try to think really, what are your skin's needs? How is it feeling right now? What do you actually need? What do you want to target? And then this is the serum that you're going to bring in, okay? So you can have a separate serum for the AM and you can have a separate serum for the PM, that you use, and they can target different things. But keep it simple. And then you need a great moisturizer. You just need one moisturizer, okay? I work from home, so the SPF sits by my door and I apply it before I step out of the house. Otherwise, I don't put it on. I'm not always going to be outside. So think about that and have the SPF, of course. If you are outdoorsy, if you're walking the dog, if you're taking the kids to the park, apply that. But you need a serum, a cleanser, and a moisturizer, all right? Should I say that again? Which cleanser? I don't know. It's up to you. Drop me a message. I have clients that I help virtually from all over the world. If you have a lot of product on hand, I'm not the type of person that's going to sell you more product. I'm going to tell you to take a pause and let's assess what you have and create something manageable for yourself, okay? So having a bucket of skincare is not going to help you do that. So if you're on a subscription, put it on hold. Let yourself get ahead a little bit. If you're just out shopping all the time and picking up new things, please stop that. Okay, so first tip, organize your stuff. Second tip, figure out what it is that you want to target right now. We have just come back, in the Northern Hemisphere, back from summer vacation. What does your skin need right now? And then the third tip would be create a 3-product routine that you can have for the AM and you can have for the PM. The serums can change, but let me tell you, not much else has to change. Your serum is your active product. You can have it target something different at night, something different in the daytime. Everything else, a moisturizer, can be for day or night, okay? Remember, SPF is separate. So create this routine for yourself. You need your cleanser, of course, to remove the day. You need a serum. You need your active product that's going to target your concerns right now. And then you need a moisturizer, okay, to hydrate your skin, to go on, to create a nice layer over your serum. If you have any questions at all, drop them below. Just a quick one today. I hear and see this all the time. So much product out there. And just because it's a clean brand, it doesn't mean that you're creating less waste. The only way to create less waste with everything that we do, from clothing to our household items, food, and beauty, is to buy less, all right? So use up what you have on hand before you consider bringing anything else in, all right? It's with you. Drop any questions below. I'll catch you in the next one.